In today's lecture, we will be discussing chapter number 10 of the novel George's Marvelous Medicine.
The name of this chapter is A Crane for Grandma. A crane is basically a machine. It is a type of vehicle that is used in the construction of buildings because it has a very long neck, right? It is used to either pick things up from a height or drop things up on a height, right? So, now, last when we read the chapter, we read that Mr. and Mrs. Kelly, Mr. and Mrs. Cranny, George's parents had come back, and George's father was excited looking at the horse-like hen, how huge the hen was, and now he wanted to know how George made it, right? So everybody is now busy in their own tasks, and grandma, who is stuck in the roof, okay? Now imagine this: there is a house, and the grandma of that house is just peeking through the roof, right? वो बस roof पे से खड़ी हुई झांक रही है, and she looks out and she sees that George and his father are running here and there. The mother is washing dishes, right? And grandma is not happy about this because nobody's paying attention to her, nobody's talking to her. So now, since everybody's busy, she's standing alone in the house and she's stuck in the roof and she's clearly not happy about it. She then called George. उसने George को आवाज लगाई and she said कि go and bring me a cup of tea instantly. In the novel, she calls him many bad things and then she says, "Ke, bring me one cup of tea very quickly." George's father tells him that, you know what? Leave her. He says, don't pay attention to her. And he says, just ignore her. It's no use talking to her or engaging with her. So George says that we can't do that. Eventually, we will have to bring her down. हम सारी जिंदगी तो नहीं छोड़ सकते उनको. Sooner or later, we have to bring grandma down. We can't just let her be stuck in the roof. Again, grandma orders him. She says, "Ki bring me a cup of tea and bring me a slice of currant cake." This currant is a type of dry fruit. जैसे हम raisins खाते हैं ना, किशमिश. So this is exactly like that, but a little different in flavor and texture. George says that they will have to bring grandma down, otherwise they will not be able to live their life in peace. In peace. वो कहते हैं जब तक हम इनको घर से नीचे नहीं ले आते या इनको छत में से निकाल नहीं लेते, she is not going to let us live peacefully. Just then his mother comes out and she says, "Ki, you know what? I agree. She's my mother and I'm not leaving my mother." So Mr. Cranky then says that grandma is like a pain in the neck. He says she's just like a pain and we should just leave her at as she is. We should not pay attention to her. Mrs. Cranky then announces, she says, Ki, you know what? I'm not leaving my mother alone, sticking up through the roof for the rest of her life. She says, you do what you want. I can't leave my mother like this. Mr. Cranky gets very frustrated and then he calls the crane company and he asks them to send their biggest crane, which eventually arrived after 1 hour. The crane was driven by two men. Okay? What they did was they put ropes under grandma's arms and they pulled her out of the roof. Now, this medicine was supposed to make grandma a better person. It was supposed to make her happy and jolly and jovial. But guess what? None of these things happened, right? What happened was, but the only good thing that happened because of this medicine was that she was now free of all pains and aches. अब ग्रैंडमा को जितनी तकलीफ होती थी ना, अब वो नहीं होती उन्हें. As soon as she landed on the ground, जैसे क्रेन ने उनको नीचे उतारा, she ran over to the pony. A pony is a type of horse. She ran to the pony whose name was Jack Frost and she jumped on the pony. She galloped on the pony all around the farm, and she was shouting at everybody to get out of her way, otherwise she will trample them to death, among other silly things. Trample means किसी को रोंद देना. So she says ki, you know what, if you don't come out, if you don't stay out of my way, my horse will trample you to death. And she said many other such silly things. Now the problem was that grandma was too tall, so she could not fit inside the house. दायरा वो इतनी ज्यादा लंबी हो चुकी है, वो घर में कैसे आती. So she had to spend the night sleeping uh, in the on the farm. मतलब वो घर के बाहर सोई थी on the hay barn along with other mice and rats. Now, that is one consequence of the medicine, that she had to sleep outside the house with other mice and rats. And that right here is our lecture for today.